What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back. So today we're going to change the oil on a 2017 Ford Escape Titanium with the 1.5 turbo. Let's get ready. Okay, so I'm using ramps and I have my trusty little DeWalt with a T30 Torx on it. And so I took that one out already. But you have that one, one back there, another one back there that I'm missing, another one in that corner that I'm missing. You have one up there, and one over there. I'm going to pull all those off and I'll be right back. And I also just want to show you that you do have some all along the front, all along, and then just kind of drop it and push out of the way, and here we go. Here's the motor, transmission, and oil filter is up in there. If you use a mobile filter, that's the number. The drain plug is on the back side here. I believe it's a 13, but I'll double check. This is your PTU, your power transfer unit. You do need to change the fluid in that like every 30,000 miles. Right here's your drain, and your fill is up here. This is a Torx, and so is that one up there. Make sure and do that regularly. As you can see, this is a common issue. They do leak. It's a bad design, but as long as you keep your fluid changed regularly, you won't have a problem. I do need to put a new seal in it. As you can tell, it does leak, so eventually I'll get to that. And there's one of your turbos. So I'm gonna go grab my oil pan. Okay, so here we are back, and it is a 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and start draining that. Make sure and put an oil pan down below, otherwise you're gonna make a giant mess. Okay, we got that draining. It was a 13 millimeter. And go ahead and crack the filter loose. We're gonna get it from the bottom and do our best to keep the mess at a minimum. We'll be back. Okay, got it draining from the filter. I came from the driver's side of the car up, around, and I came from right there. Pretty easy to get to. Okay, so here are the oil filters. If you use K&N, it's HP1002. If you use Motorcraft, it's FL910S. And if you use a mobile one, it's M1-102A. Make sure and always lube the top of your gasket, and always make sure your old gasket comes off with your old filter. Again, it's up in there. There is the bottom of the filter housing. It's right there. Remember, cord trim past hand tight. Okay, so I use Mobile One full synthetic. It does call for 520. Depending on your climate, you can change that. But here in Iowa, I stick with 520 year round. Do believe it takes 6 quarts, but I'll have to double check, make sure, and look at your owner's manual to find out for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some oil, and we'll get her back on the ground. I do use brake clean to clean up my mess down below, clean all the oil up. Okay, so it was 5 quarts. Make sure and double check you got no leaks anywhere. And then you can go ahead and put this cover back on. Remember, you have the 3 bolts back there, one there, one there, and then the ones up along the front. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ask questions, comments, all that stuff. But have fun. Deuces, guys.